So factoring a trinomial with a leading coefficient that's not 1. First of all, just keep in mind this 3 here. Just keep that in mind. We just put a circle here and I put a 3. We're going to come to this later after I finish this. So the first thing we do, just multiply the 3 into the -6. And you're going to get x squared plus 7x minus 18. Now you could factor this and you're going to get x plus 9, x minus 2, because two numbers multiply to give you -18 and add to give you 7. Now, as I said, keep in mind that you have a 3 right here that will multiply into the -6 to make this easier to solve. Now we have to come back to this 3 and divide both of these numbers by that 3 right there. This divides, so that will give me x plus 3. And this, you just stick the 3 in front of the x since it doesn't divide, and you get 3x minus 2. And this is how you factor this. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.